Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Easy English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy to see you again today.
I'm Sarah, and this is my friend Tom. How are you doing today, Tom?
I'm doing great, Sarah, and I'm really hungry today.
Oh, you're hungry? Perfect, because today we're going to learn something very useful.
That's right. Today we're learning how to order food in English at a restaurant.
This is so important. When you travel or when you eat at a restaurant, you need to know what to say.
Don't worry, we will make this super easy for you. By the end of this video, you will feel confident ordering food in English.
Before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, and turn on the notifications so you never miss our videos. Okay, let's start learning.
So, Tom, let's imagine we are at a restaurant right now. What's the first thing that happens when we arrive?
Good question, Sarah. When you arrive at a restaurant, someone will greet you. This person is called the host or hostess.
Exactly. They might say, "Hello, welcome to our restaurant. How many people?"
And you can say, table for two, please, or table for one, please. It depends on how many people are with you.
Let me give you some examples. If you're alone, you say, "Table for one, please."
If you're with one friend, you say, table for two, please.
If you're with your family, maybe you say, "Table for four, please." See? Very simple.
Great. Now the host will take you to your table. They might say, follow me, please.
And then you sit down. After a few minutes, the waiter or waitress will come to your table.
The waiter might say, hi, my name is Mike. I'll be your server today. Can I get you something to drink?
This is important. They're asking about drinks first. You can say, "Yes, I'd like water, please."
Or you can say, I'd like a Coke, please. Or I'd like orange juice, please.
"I'd like" is very polite. It means "I want," but it sounds more polite. Always say "I'd like" at a restaurant.
Yes, I'd like is super important. Let's practice. Sarah, what would you like to drink?
"I'd like iced tea, please."
Perfect. See how polite that sounds? Now let me try. I'd like a lemonade, please.
Excellent. So remember, everyone, when the waiter asks about drinks, you say "I'd like" and then the drink name.
After you order drinks, the waiter will give you a menu. The menu shows all the food choices.
Right. And the waiter might say, "I'll give you a few minutes to look at the menu."
This means you have time to read the menu and choose your food. Don't feel rushed.
While you're looking at the menu, you might have questions. You can ask the waiter for help.
Yes, for example, you can say, what do you recommend? This means what food is good here.
Or you can ask, "What's the special today?" The special is a popular dish that's really good.
You can also ask, is this spicy? If you don't like spicy food.
Or, "Does this have nuts?" if you're allergic to nuts. It's okay to ask questions.
Absolutely. The waiter is there to help you. Don't be shy.
Okay, now let's talk about ordering your food. When the waiter comes back, they'll say, "Are you ready to order?"
And you can say, yes, I'm ready. Or if you need more time, you can say, not yet. Can I have a few more minutes?
But let's say you're ready. The waiter might ask, "What would you like?"
Here's where you use I'd like again. You can say, I'd like the chicken sandwich, please.
Or, "I'd like the pasta, please." Or, "I'd like the burger, please." Always say "I'd like" plus the food name plus please.
Let me give you more examples. I'd like the grilled salmon, please.
"I'd like the Caesar salad, please."
I'd like the pizza, please.
See, it's the same pattern every time. "I'd like" plus the food name plus please.
Now, sometimes the waiter will ask you questions about your food. For example, if you order a burger, they might ask, how would you like that cooked?
Good point. For meat, you can say "well done" if you want it fully cooked.
Or medium if you want it a little pink in the middle.
Or rare if you want it very pink. But most people say medium or well done.
The waiter might also ask, would you like fries or salad with that?
This is asking about side dishes. You can say "I'd like fries, please," or "I'd like salad, please."
Sometimes they ask, what kind of dressing for your salad?
Dressing is the sauce on salad. You can say ranch, please, or Italian, please.
Don't worry if you don't know all the dressing names. You can just say, "What do you have?" and they'll tell you.
Exactly. It's okay to ask questions. Now let's practice a full conversation. Tom, let's do a role play.
Great idea. I'll be the waiter and you be the customer. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, welcome to Tom's restaurant. How many people today?
Table for two, please.
Perfect. Follow me, please. Here's your table. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'd like water, please.
Sure. I'll be right back with your water and menu.
Thank you.
Okay, that was great. Did you hear how polite Sarah was? She said please and thank you.
Yes, being polite is very important. Always say please and thank you at a restaurant.
Now let's continue our role play. Here's your water. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'm ready. I'd like the chicken sandwich, please.
Great choice. Would you like fries or salad with that?
I'd like fries, please.
Perfect. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you.
See everyone? That was a complete restaurant conversation. It's not difficult, right?
Not at all. Let's practice one more time. Now I'll be the waiter and Tom will be the customer.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi, welcome. How many people?
Table for one, please.
Right this way. Can I get you something to drink?
I'd like a Coke, please.
Sure. Here's your menu. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the pasta, please.
Excellent. Would you like garlic bread with that?
Yes, please.
Perfect. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Great job, Tom. You said everything perfectly.
Thanks. Now let's talk about what happens after you finish eating.
Yes, when you finish your food, the waiter will come and ask, "How was everything?"
You can say, "It was delicious," or "It was very good, thank you."
Then the waiter might ask, "Would you like dessert?" Dessert is sweet food like cake or ice cream.
If you want dessert, you say, "Yes, I'd like the chocolate cake, please."
If you don't want dessert, you say, "No thank you, just the check, please."
The check is the paper that shows how much money you need to pay. Some people call it the bill.
Both are correct. You can say, "Can I have the check, please?" Or you can say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
When you get the check, you can pay with cash or credit card.
If you pay with credit card, the waiter will take it and come back with a receipt.
Don't forget to leave a tip. In many countries, you should leave a tip about 15 to 20%.
A tip is extra money you give to thank the waiter for good service.
Yes, the waiter works hard, so a tip is very important.
Okay, everyone, let's review the most important phrases one more time.
Great idea. When you arrive, you say, "Table for two, please."
When ordering drinks, you say, "I'd like water, please."
When ordering food, you say, "I'd like the chicken sandwich, please."
When you finish eating, you say, "Can I have the check, please?"
See, just 4 easy phrases. You can do this.
Remember, the key phrase is "I'd like." Use it for drinks, use it for food, use it for dessert.
And always say please and thank you. Being polite makes everything easier.
One more important thing. If you need help during the meal, you can say, "Excuse me."
Yes, excuse me gets the waiter's attention politely. Don't shout or wave your arms.
Just say, "Excuse me," and the waiter will come to help you.
You might say, "Excuse me, can I have more water, please?"
Or, "Excuse me, can I have a napkin, please?" A napkin is the paper you use to clean your hands.
Or, "Excuse me, can I have some ketchup, please?"
See, "Excuse me" is very useful. Now you know everything you need.
Okay, let's do one final quick practice. I'll ask questions and Sarah will answer. Then you at home can practice too.
Perfect. Ask me, Tom.
How many people?
Table for two, please.
What would you like to drink?
I'd like orange juice, please.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the burger, please.
How would you like that cooked?
Medium, please.
Would you like fries or salad?
I'd like fries, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Excellent job. See everyone, with just a few phrases, you can order food confidently in English.
You really can. Don't be nervous. Restaurant staff are friendly and want to help you.
Just speak slowly and clearly. If they don't understand, they will ask you to repeat.
It's okay. Everyone is learning. The important thing is you try.
Exactly. And the more you practice, the easier it gets.
So next time you go to a restaurant, use these phrases. You'll do great.
Okay, everyone, that's the end of today's lesson. We hope you learned a lot today.
You now know how to order food in English. You can say, "Table for two, please," "I'd like water, please," and "Can I have the check, please?"
These phrases will help you in any restaurant. Practice them at home.
Now we have homework for you. We want you to leave a comment below.
Yes, tell us what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant. Write your answer in English in the comments.
We will read all your comments, and if you have questions, ask us. We're here to help.
Don't forget to subscribe to Speak Easy English if you haven't already.